Hey guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you have already read on the thumbnail, in this video I'll be sharing my tips, or I'll be sharing my experience regarding how I balanced my USMLE preparation throughout the internship, and what I want you to follow if you are in the same phase like in your internship or in your final year of med school. So in the coming 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes, I'll just give some important tips that you have to keep in mind always during your internship in India or any other country, and while you are in your preparation for the USMLE step 1. So if we talk about the internship, you know that internship is a quite busy thing, and it is challenging. Obviously, you have to go to the hospitals daily. You have to keep a balance between studying and learning new skills, and so in that journey or in that process, it is very easy to lose the track, and you know like. Like there will be instances, there will be times when you will not get sufficient amount of time to study for like 5 to 6 days. And whenever this thing happens, like let's say if you have taken a break for 5 6 days for whatsoever reason, then it becomes quite difficult to get into the momentum and get yourself going again. So I said that it is quite easy to lose the track of what you are doing, and what your goals are. So I will say that the most important, the single most important thing, whether you are studying good or not, is to just have a bigger picture, or just to have a clear vision of what your goal is. Like whenever you are in your internship, like let's say you are posted in medicine, always remember that there is some bigger goal that you are striving for, that you have to achieve, and this thing is just a part of the journey, and this thing is just gonna make you reach closer to that bigger goal. So that way you will not be distracted by the things that are going around. Let's say your friends are going to party and they are asking you, let's hang out, you can study the next day. No, just remember that there is a goal. You have to take the step 1 exam, like after few months you have a goal, you have a daily target to achieve. So no, you will just say no, and you will pack your bag, go home, open the laptop and start studying again. Number one thing. Number second thing is that how to study. Like I won't say that how to study. Like we all know how to study. Let's let's state it in a different way. Like what not to forget actually. So if I specifically talk about the USMLE step 1, the things that are very important and which are often ignored, and those which become a headache in the last, are the general stuff. I'll say micro, I'll say biochem, I'll say immuno, I'll say genetics. Guys, please don't take these things lightly. Don't take these things lightly. Revise micro daily. Just as your day begins, the first thing, along with the morning tea, obviously, should be to study micro. Always remember that before going to the hospital in the internship, or if you are in your final year of med school, before going to the school, you have to complete a bug from sketchy, be it staph, be it strepto, be it fungi, parasite, whatsoever it would be. You have to complete, and then you have to go to the work, hospital, college, whatsoever it is. Second thing. Third thing is that you have to be consistent. Let's say you are posted somewhere, and in the coming week you have like 2 nights, let's say. Okay, I understand that there are two complete days, like 24, 24, 48 hours, or during those days you won't be able to study. Okay, let's suppose your first night was on Monday, and your next night is on Thursday. Okay, I know that on Tuesday the whole day will be like recovering from that 24 hours duty. But before you sleep, just remember that you have to sleep for good 8 hours, and after that keep those days for revision, for repetition. Just tell yourself, okay, I will not study something new today, but I will revise the previous one that I had studied like last week, and I need to revise it. Okay, so this way you will be consistent, and whenever you will get time, you will just revise. But for revision there should be content, and that's why I will always say you that you have to study, study, study. Let's say what how small the time may be. Let's say for one day you are studying for 1 hour or 2 hour, but you have to study daily. In that way those small small goals, those small small targets, they will eventually pile up and they will give you the result. That's what happened with me. Now let's say you are going closer to your target day by day, day by day, day by day, and I will say that before like 3 months or 2 months or whatsoever you feel is comfortable for you, apply for a break in the internship. Just apply for a break in the internship and keep it straight in your mind that this is the 2 week, 2 month dedicated period or 3 month dedicated period, and I am going to cut off from everyone, like not family, friends, important people, but rest everyone in the world, and I am going to focus solely on my preparation. So that is how you are going to optimize your internship, and you have to take the step 1 in the internship, because I want you to take the step 2 right after the internship and then apply or go for observership or do whatsoever you want to do. So these were the some points that helped me obviously, and I am sharing with you. I hope that you like this video. For more videos like this, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep studying, keep studying, keep studying. I'll keep you posted with these videos. So